Seidler Mini Chainsaw. High-efficiency cutting. The Mini Chainsaw battery-powered adopts an upgraded copper wire high-efficiency motor, which is more powerful to cut wood or tree. Mine works great when I'm cutting off limbs. It runs faster and more stably. In addition, the guide chain of the power chainsaw is with high-quality wooden teeth design. It is deeply quenching to ensure smooth cutting but with less wear and a longer service life. Large capacity battery. The power battery chainsaw has two Part 21V 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, superb endurance, and multiple trees in a row without stopping. Electric chainsaw only takes 1 to 2 hours to charge fully, then works continuously for up to 30 to 60 minutes. Besides, lithium-ion batteries with multiple protection provide a great battery life which is sufficient for your daily use. Besides, there is a battery level indicator to let you know the battery usage status. Safety and reliability. Multiple safety designs ensure the safety of the Mini Chainsaw cordless during use. 1 safety baffles to prevent splinters. 2 safety lock and switch lock to prevent accidents and protect your family and friends. 3 heat sink to efficiently dissipate heat and prevent damage to the chainsaw motor from overheating. 4 goggles and gloves to prevent injuries to eyes and hands from wood scraps. Light and one-hand operation. The small portable chainsaw is only 2.75 pounds 1.25 kilograms, including battery. It is very light and easy to operate with one hand. Therefore, portable handheld chainsaws are also ideal for women and the elderly. It will not feel tired for a long time to work. Easy to install. The cordless Mini Chainsaw 6-inch had been assembled. You can adjust the chain tightness, tool-free installation adjustment, according to the installation manual. Turn the adjustment button clockwise to tension the chain, counterclockwise to relax the chain. Expose 1 to 3 middle guide teeth when pulling down. When you want a gardening work, just plug in the battery. Note: for safety, please remove the chainsaw battery when not in operation.